In a world overflowing with noise, distractions, and never-ending to-do lists, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, busy but not productive, active but not fulfilled. Focus on what matters. By Darius Foroux cuts through the chaos like a sharp blade, offering a refreshing call to slow down, reflect, and realign. This isn't just another productivity book filled with hacks and shortcuts. It's a thoughtful guide to intentional living. With a blend of Stoic wisdom, personal insights, and practical strategies, Foroux invites us to ask the hard questions. What truly matters in my life? Am I spending my time and energy on the things that align with my deepest values? In this comprehensive summary, we'll dive deep into Foroux's powerful message, how to simplify your life, sharpen your focus, and pursue only what truly counts. Whether you're looking to declutter your mind, improve your work-life balance, or find clarity in your daily actions, this summary will unpack the principles and practices that can help you live with more purpose and less regret. Introduction: The essence of focus. In an age of constant distractions, Foroux underscores the significance of focusing on what truly matters. He posits that clarity and purpose are essential for meaningful success, urging readers to eliminate unnecessary tasks and commitments that do not align with their core values. Part 1. Embracing clarity over busyness. 1.1. The illusion of busyness. Foroux challenges the common misconception that being busy equates to being productive. He advocates for intentional living, where actions are aligned with personal values and long-term goals rather than reacting to external stimuli. 1.2. Defining personal values. Understanding one's core values is pivotal. Foroux encourages readers to reflect on what truly matters to them, suggesting that this clarity serves as a foundation for all subsequent decisions and actions. Part 2. The power of purpose. 2.1. Aligning actions with purpose. Purpose-driven living involves aligning daily actions with overarching life goals. Foroux emphasizes that when every action is rooted in a clear sense of purpose, it becomes easier to stay motivated and achieve significant results. 2.2. The role of Stoic virtues. Drawing from Stoic philosophy, Foroux highlights virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and self-control. He illustrates how these virtues can guide individuals in making decisions that are congruent with their values. Part 3. Practical strategies for focus. 3.1. Prioritization and elimination. Identifying and focusing on tasks that align with long-term goals is crucial. Foroux advises eliminating activities and commitments that do not contribute positively to one's life, thereby freeing up time and energy for what truly matters. 3.2. Mindfulness and presence. Practicing mindfulness helps in staying present and fully engaged in daily activities. Foroux recommends techniques to enhance focus and reduce stress, such as being aware of one's thoughts and surroundings. 3.3. Consistency over perfection. Foroux underscores the importance of consistent effort over striving for perfection. He suggests that small, consistent actions lead to significant results over time. Part 4. Health and well-being as foundations. 4.1. Physical and mental health. Maintaining good physical and mental health is foundational to sustained focus and productivity. Foroux emphasizes regular exercise, proper nutrition, quality sleep, and relaxation as essential components of a focused life. 4.2. The dichotomy of control. A central concept in Stoicism, the dichotomy of control, distinguishes between things within our control and those beyond it. Foroux advises focusing on thoughts, actions, and attitudes, accepting what cannot be changed. Conclusion: living intentionally. Focus on what matters serves as a roadmap for individuals seeking to lead a purposeful and fulfilling life. By emphasizing clarity, intentionality, and alignment with core values, Foroux provides practical insights that can lead to lasting positive change. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this summary helpful and want to dive deeper into more transformative books, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community of lifelong learners and stay updated on our latest book summaries and insights. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. What principle from this book resonated with you the most? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep reading and keep growing.